A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a gripping court case that has captured national attention, Routh, the man accused of attempting to assassinate former President Donald Trump, is back in court this week seeking to represent himself. This follows a tumultuous history of criminal behavior and a controversial past that raises questions about his mental state and motives. Routh, who has been described as a self-styled mercenary leader, previously made headlines for his violent plans and dangerous rhetoric. The 59-year-old construction worker from North Carolina has a criminal history that includes a 2002 arrest for eluding police and barricading himself with a fully automatic machine gun. He also faced charges in 2010 when police found over 100 stolen items in a warehouse he owned. Routh's attempt on Trump's life occurred last September while the former president was playing golf in West Palm Beach, Florida. U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon has allowed Routh to represent himself during his trial, but has mandated that court-appointed attorneys remain as standby counsel. Routh's decision to go solo is controversial. Judge Cannon expressed concerns about his ability to defend himself effectively, given his limited education and lack of legal training. As the trial approaches, prosecutors are working to ensure that inadmissible evidence, particularly Routh's past writings, does not influence the jury. They argue that Routh has made it clear he intends to turn the trial into a spectacle, contrasting his character against that of Trump, who was running for his second term at the time of the incident. Routh faces 5 felony counts, including attempted assassination of a major presidential candidate and possession of a firearm to carry out a violent crime. The case has drawn parallels to other high-profile legal battles involving Trump, particularly the classified documents case overseen by Judge Cannon. In a separate but equally significant development, Columbia University recently agreed to pay over $200 million to the federal government to settle investigations into allegations of anti-Semitism on campus. This settlement restores the university's access to approximately $1.3 billion in federal funding, which had been frozen during the investigations. Columbia's acting president acknowledged the challenges the institution has faced regarding anti-Semitism and pledged to combat all forms of hatred and intolerance. The settlement, while restoring funding, has sparked debate over academic freedom and the university's commitment to diversity and inclusion. Critics argue that the agreement represents a blow to free speech and academic independence, while supporters believe it will enhance the university's ability to operate effectively and support its students and faculty. As these two stories develop, they highlight the complexities of the legal system, the challenges of addressing societal issues, and the ongoing discussions surrounding freedom of speech and public safety. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.